Hello, my name is Mark, and I'm the inventor of the Silent Sleeper Anti-Snore System. If you give me just 2 minutes of your time, I'll explain to you why the Silent Sleeper has helped thousands of people around the world stop snoring, and it is probably the last snoring device you're ever going to need. So once I started snoring, I tried everything. I tried mouth guards, I tried chin straps. Not only were they very uncomfortable, but they didn't work. So I thought there must be a way to stop snoring without attaching things to your face or shoving things into your mouth. The reason people snore is because your airway closes when you sleep. So air gets forced through your throat, which creates vibrating, and that creates the snoring. So all I needed to do was figure out a comfortable way to keep my jaw forward, which would keep my airway open. And I thought, hey, why not use gravity? And that's what I did. Months of experimenting led me to this simple but very effective solution, the Silent Sleeper Anti-Snore System. All you do is slip it into your pillowcase under your own pillow and go to sleep. It's that simple. You see these downward slopes? Whether you lie on your left side or your right side, you lie so your head is facing downwards, and then that allows gravity to hold your jaw forward, which in turn keeps your airway open. And you stop snoring. So here's how your pillow looks with the Silent Sleeper inside of it. It's still very comfortable, and whether you lie on one side or the other side, or you roll back and forth all night, it doesn't matter. Gravity holds your jaw forward and you stop snoring. Your partner will love it, so just let gravity do the work. Not only is our Silent Sleeper very affordable, but it comes with a money-back guarantee. So you have nothing to lose, except your snoring. You can check out our testimonials page on our website and see what some of our happy customers have to say, or go to the Buy Now button and get yours right away. Because a silent night should be more than just a dream. Thanks for watching and have a good sleep.